If you sell taxable products or services, QuickBooks helps you track how much tax to charge. If you use this feature, you should know how much you need to pay when you submit your taxes. Let's go over how to set up value-added tax. We will also show you how to set up MTD so you can submit your returns to HMRC. Select VAT and then Overview. Select Set up VAT. Select the start of the tax period from the drop-down based on when you want QuickBooks to begin tracking VAT. Select how often do you want to submit VAT returns from this drop-down. Next, select the VAT accounting scheme from these options. Now, update your 9-digit VAT registration number here. Select this box if you want to opt for Flat Rate Scheme, FRS. Select Next. Now you can add tax to your transactions and record your tax payment in QuickBooks. Select OK. To submit VAT, you need to set up MTD. You can do this by selecting Set up MTD. MTD is Making Tax Digital, which has been made mandatory from April 2022 for all VAT-registered businesses. You will get an authorization message, which will guide you on how to view or change your VAT information by signing in to the HMRC online service. If you select the option I don't need MTD, then you'll see a list of conditions to check if MTD applies to you or not. If they don't, then select I don't need MTD again. Once the tax center is set up, whenever you open the VAT Overview section, you'll find some details at the top. QuickBooks keeps track of the tax you have collected from customers charged on sales and the tax you have paid on purchases. If there are any tax amounts that have been adjusted, you can see them under Adjustments. The top section always shows how much you owe in the current filing period. If you just need to change something in the tax settings, select Edit VAT drop-down and select Edit Settings. Here, you can update your filing frequency, change the accounting scheme, or select a different calculating period you want QuickBooks to track the tax for you. If MTD applies to you, you can turn it on here. If you have made any changes, select Save. You can select the Edit Rates from Edit VAT drop-down to activate the relevant tax from the list of tax names that are given with their descriptions. Select Add Tax to add a new tax rate for VAT. Select Group Rate to add a group rate in order to combine multiple taxes that can easily be applied to your transactions. Select Custom Tax to create a custom tax rate and fill in the details about how you track it. If you've made changes, select Save. Select the View Reports drop-down to get some useful tax-related reports. You also have the option of downloading the audit report here. You can view all the details related to the returns you have filed under the Returns tab. You have many options to check information on your returns here. Select the Payments tab to view the details of your tax payments. Now you're ready to set up tax for your company.